our slope is one that you should be familiar with already, and that is the difference of y's over the difference of x. And so if you're looking at this between 2 points, we call this point x1, y1, and another point here x2, y2. And we want to find the slope between those. The slope is the difference of the y's, so y2 minus y1, over the difference of the corresponding x's, x2 minus x1. Now, in this case, it doesn't matter whether you put the y1 or the y2's first, so it would also be equivalent to say y1 minus y2. Just making sure that if you put the value, the output of the first y first, you need to include its input first as well. So the difference of the x's are going to have the same order, x1 first and then x2. And so finally, the last thing that we're going to do to make this a little bit different, because we have talked about slopes already, and that is because we're dealing a lot with function notation in this course, our y's, the outputs, can also be expressed in function notation as f of x. So we could also express this as f of x2 minus f of x1. So that's y2 minus y1, bless you, all over the difference of the corresponding x's, which you can see embedded inside that function notation. And so this would be sort of the new form of the slope equation that we're looking at in this problem. Okay, you can still find your slope by counting. You can go up however many, over however many, and use the rise over run. But more than likely, you're going to be dealing with the coordinates of a point, and you can just plug them in.